In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram crashing on iPhone or Android. There might be a couple of reasons why your Instagram app is crashing, and it could be that the servers are down or there could be a glitch in your specific app. So let's first make sure that's not the issue. So go search "Is Instagram down" in a web browser, and then you go into Down Detector, and if there's a sudden spike in reported outages, then this could mean there's an issue or bug in the Instagram servers, and this will take them a couple of hours to solve and get the app up and running. If this isn't the case, however, the next step is we're gonna go into Settings, go into Apps, find Instagram, and then you go into Storage and clear the cache. Then you delete the app and reinstall it. This refreshes all of the app files and updates the app to the latest version, which fixes any kind of bugs most of the time. After this, your Instagram should be crash-free and working normally. If you have any questions, then leave a comment below and leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out.